Hey guys, this is Odin from Odin TV. So recently I've been getting a lot of DMs about Odin. Why not you guys tell us like tips on our car maintenance, because people have been telling us they're having car issues, their car breaking down, the engines getting knocked. So I've decided to, okay, from now on I'll be giving you guys each day a tip that will help you in maintaining your car. So let's go. So the tip number one guys, is actually water. Water might be looked down upon or might be less important than petrol, but trust me, water is actually very important in your vehicle. Before you go out, make sure you always check your water level. If it's not up, or if you see that okay, this water has gone down, just top it up. It might take like how many seconds, but trust me, it will do a lot of damage if you don't check it out. I had a story once of the water canister in it was a Volvo 2008 Volvo S60. So me and Godspeed, we actually going out on a particular day, so he checked it and he was like, why is there oil inside the canister, the rubber? I didn't even give yet what he said. I just wanted to go and flex. So 3 or 4 days later, we discovered that the water that we've been putting, that means oil has already mixed with the water. The water has been going directly into the engine of the car. Bro, that thing actually knocked the car's engine out. We had to get a new cylinder, a new crankshaft. We have to just completely change the engine. So water, something as simple as water, can actually damage and do a lot of bad things to your car. So please check your water level before you go out. So that is the tip for today. Watch out and hold on till tomorrow for another tip. This is Odin from Odin TV, and remember, Odin TV is your all-in-one entertainment zone. Peace, man.
One